All right, so now for our facial tissues. We have a couple of those. The first one we have is going to be our tea tree fragrance one. This one, again, is not anything that I think is super crazy with the scent of it. It's definitely not really aromatic, and if anything, once you open it, the smell isn't very strong once like it's exposed. So I did open this one. I do have my other one, my bamboo one, open too, because I'm actually using the bamboo one. I just opened this one to show what it looked like in that moment. But here is the container. It does have the little opening on top, which is fantastic to give it that like actual tissue box feel without it having any cardboard. Of course, this is all biodegradable products. This is made, the tissues are made from 100% wood pulp, so they are going to be a lot more natural, a lot more safe for the environment, and they are 2-ply, so just pull one out. So they're durable, they're not crazy strong, they're not, I mean, they're great, they're not like super thin that you're gonna blow through, and they do have a bit of that pull, like stretch to them, if you will. So I do like them. They are soft. I am a big fan of lotion infused tissues, so this one was a little bit different than what I'm used to, but it's not a bad thing. I do like that they are strong. I do like that they are fairly soft, and I like that they're thin because, you know, I do go through tissues fairly a good bit. So these, I think, kind of eliminate me from having to go through a bunch, if that makes any sense. But yeah, so you get 200 2-ply sheets. So considering that's 400 regular sheets, blah, blah, blah. When you buy a pack, you get a case of 12 of these, I believe it is. So, you know, do the math, you're getting a good bit. This is really great to buy if you do have like a workplace or maybe a classroom or just a big house with a lot of nose blowers. Whatever the case is, this is a great kind of industrial pack to get, and you know that you are getting like a natural, good for the environment product. So hopefully your employees or whomever is using them is not going to, you know, to have any issues with them. It does, again, is made with a natural scents or fragrances, so nothing that should be irritating or bothersome to anyone that would be using it. So this is, again, going to be sold in the pack, like a case of them. You can, I believe, buy individuals, but you just have to select that option. But for the case, it's going to be about $47.54. Again, 200 tissues should last you a good while, and if you're getting 12 of them, should be a good, you know, pretty good investment for your bulk purchase here. So this is the first one. The next ones are going to be the rose scented ones. Now, again, the scent is not anything that's very, very over the top. I'm not going to open them because I just don't need them open right now, but there is a little perforated like open spot that you just pull across the top. Again, this is made from that 100% wood pulp, so it's going to have that, again, softer feel to it. 2-ply sheets, fluorescent agent free, so again, all super natural, everything that is going to be beneficial for the tissue and for your use, and not anything problematic. Let's see, strong fiber content, it is absorbent and soft, rinse and repeat sustainable. So, you know, if you've ever watched like the Bounty paper towel commercials, how you can like wring them out and reuse, I definitely like learned that so late in life that these can be that type of thing as well. Durable, multiple layer thickness, lock in moisture, they're small and of course easy to carry, natural, eco-friendly, rethink recycling, multiple time usage. So, you know, these are just going to be safe for everybody. Safe for babies, safe for sensitive skin, good to use like if you have to wipe off food or use it as like a plate or a napkin. There's definitely some multi-uses for this wonderful product, and you know, it just helps that it's good for the environment too. So this case or this pack of these ones is going to go for $58.51. This is marked down from its original price of $73. So definitely get it while it is discounted. These are just going to be more natural, more safe, and more comfortable for everyone that's using them. So okay.